Okay, so hello guys. Today's Monday and it's time to change our tire because winter is already over and this is the winter tire. Kung maaalala nyo, I did a last vlog before about changing tires dun sa kaibigan ko, and now since I already have my own tools, I have here a compressor, impact gun, I have a jack and jack stand, and all these in the cartridge. So I will now be able to replace my own tire. And the problem is that I just noticed that one of my tire, see, that's only 3 right there, because the other one I already put it on the back of the car. It's right here, and there's a nail here, nail puncture, so one here, and right there. So marami siyang butas, guys, and because of that, earlier this morning I went to tire repair shop and Canadian Tire, and iba yung magpaano rito, kung magpa-vulcate ka, you'll have to set an appointment, and the earliest appointment that I can set is next week. So I was like, no, I don't want to wait for that long. So I decided to check on YouTube, and I saw this video from Chris Fix about replacing tires. So we're going to Canadian Tire and buy that kit. So Mipo is here. Oh, let's go. So we're here, guys, sa Canadian Tire. Lah, saan bilang suot? Pajama. So, morning sulod sa Canadian Tire, guys. I already know where I'm going, so muna siya ka ng Ace Hardware or tsaba wala yun. Basta yung anak sa to So $40. So aisle 9. Okay, this is right here. So they have different tools here for changing tire, but this is what I need. So okay, yeah, this is it. So by the way, since I'm already here, hanap na rin ako ng brake cleaner. So it's here, $11. I think this is what I was looking for. Okay, ito, brake cleaner. So we're back at the house and ito na sana yung bibilhin ko. Then ended up buying this stuff and this other stuff right here. So we're gonna fix it here inside the garage because it's getting colder outside. It's already almost 9 p.m. Pero ayaw ko kayo. Anyway, so right here, ito sa mga so I'm gonna need this one. It's the reason why I bought this. So I can so here's the bottle of soapy water. I actually put a dishwashing soap in this one, and I should be able to identify where the air leak is coming from. There's one here for sure. That's a nail punch all the way through here. So I would need someone to pull the tire, the nail out. So I'm going to be using this tools that I already have here. Hello guys, so I was able to finally pull it out, and this is what it looks like here. So the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, open this, and you see there's like two parts on it here. This is the one that you push to make the hole, and then this is the one where you put this rubber to block the hole. Move this nail here and make a hole over here. Okay, so this is pushed in already inside the tire. Now I'm just gonna prepare this one before I pull it out so that the air won't come outside. So this, you're just gonna need one. Okay, there you go. So you just keep pulling it till it's about halfway there, like that. Okay, and the next thing is just remove this thing right here, and then push this all the way in. I mean, probably 3/4 in, like that. So let's do that here. Okay. So I set the pressure to 60 psi. Let's test again if we can find another spot that is leaking here. But here, this one is the one that we failed. No bubbles. Okay, so just right above this one that we already filled, I saw another spot here that needs to be fixed. See, it's bubbling here. Okay, so definitely there's like an air coming out of that. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, that's better. That's where it is. That halfway, and then this is what we're gonna push in there. Okay. All the way in there. Just a little space left. So again, pull it out real fast. There we go. This is the other one. This is the other. Both are fixed. I just saved like $60 here doing all this DIY by myself. And thanks YouTube, thanks Crucifix. So let's see if the air is still leaking here. No. Here as well. Cool. So guys, we fixed both of the holes in the tire. Okay, now I'm just gonna put air here. Okay, let's check. Okay, good morning guys. It's the next day and I wasn't able to finish the video last night because I didn't notice that the GoPro's battery is already dead. So I just continued doing what I did. So basically, after fixing the hole, I just fill the tire with air and measure the PSI and made sure that it's 33 PSI as required by, or as recommended by my car's specification. So here's the tire that we fixed last night. See, these are the two stuff that we put in there. And I'm just going to measure the tire's PSI right now, and just to check na wala siya nag-leak. So if the PSI is still the same as what I said last night, then that means we've successfully repaired this and this will be worthy to be installed again to our car. It's a little bit cold today. I mean, this morning it's still like 7 a.m. Miko's still asleep, so me check 31, 32. Okay, so the tire, it held the tire pressure, so it's good. Yeah, we should be able to put this back in the car, and it's gonna be for the next video because I think this video is gonna be quite long already. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and amping mo kanunay.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take on my